whole space for your life as being a mother. And I find that really delightful. And because you said that there are two lives, one is the life that you lead in Delhi, which is extremely private, by the way. We never see Chitrangada when she's not promoting guys. And you prefer to keep it that way. What is it that being a mother has taught you? And how does it, like, where are you now, navigating the two? Because we never ask men how they navigate fatherhood and, doing their job. But I feel like with mothers, the reason why this is perhaps asked is because mothers give more of a shit.
Yeah.
But where are you when it comes to negotiating that for yourself right now? I think,
I think it matters more to women mothers also is because of the huge emotional responsibility that they feel for the kids.
Beautiful.
Men, I'm not taking anything away, very important. Again, see how difficult it is to be correct all the time. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. But really, men are providers. I mean, to be absolutely basic about it. And they provide, and that needs them to be very practical with what they do. Whereas for women, it just needs to be so much more emotional and nurturing, and that responsibility is huge. I guess that's why the guilt kind of stays with you if you're not there every single day. But, I mean, I'm at such an amazing place right now. I feel this amazing relationship that my son and I have. He's all grown up now, you know, and he's so grown up, really. But I feel like I've learned so much. I feel like all my calmness, all my composure, my confidence, the fact that everything, you have like a nothing to lose kind of feeling a lot of times when you're stuck somewhere, something's not working out. So there is always that, so it's like you always have this sense of joy no matter what, irrespective of a lot of things.
Yeah.
That kind of feeling is the best thing. It's priceless, really.
Yeah.
It's what I get from motherhood. Yeah.
Yeah, and you just said that it's been a while, but let me tell you, one of the biggest things about you on the screen is that people always write this under something that you're in, which is that, how does she look the same?
Today, what are you coming to?
Today, Chitrangada, you have to reveal your secrets, okay? Because I'm not leaving here without asking you, man, you have, I don't know what you drink. Like, aaj bataiye, what is matcha secrets?
What's funny is somebody sent me it's Rohit, somebody sent me a picture, a working still of me and Akshay from Desi Boys. Recently, when Farhad was shooting, Farhad Samji is writing David's film. And so they were there and they sent me a picture from working still. And I was like, oh my God, this is so lovely. So I sent it to Akshay. I'm like, oh my God, it's been 15 years or something. So he wrote back saying, "Tum fridge mein rehti ho kya?"
Exactly. I'm like, kaun sa fridge hai ye?
So I was laughing. I was like, it's so funny. Because I do look the same.
Look at her, she's laughing
Oh
about
my God. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I guess thank my genes, honestly. Good skin comes from my father.
Yeah.
My cheekbones my jawline comes from my mother.
Okay.
And I work really hard to keep my fitness. I work every single day. I don't eat after 6:37 in the evening. So it's a painful life. And yeah, like there is a lot of freaking skin treatment going on. So you do your hydra facials, or it's a very difficult, painful life.
Yeah, so it doesn't come just like diya hua hai. You have to work to maintain it
every single day.
Oh, thank you. Again, I told you she's real, guys. Like, she's not gonna lie to us. Okay, if any of your characters had to star in a spin-off movie of that character, which one would it be and why? So any character from any of the films that you've done deserves their own movie now.
Ooh. Ah, wow. Okay. Deserves his own movie. I can't think of what. Why not Maya?
Why not Maya?
From Houseful.
Fantastic.
Have her own movie where she's this badass.
Yeah, and, we get to know her from Houseful 5B though.
From Houseful 5B, yeah. I would like her to have one.
Do you have a red carpet ritual? Like anything you check before you go onto a red carpet?
Ritual. Wow. Okay. I always I do check. So when we always do these pictures before we
Mm.
get on, so it's always good to see what's looking better, which angle's looking nicer, where should the chin be, what should be. So I always try and check that while the photographs are being done.
Thank you for sharing.
It helps.
What song do you secretly dance to when nobody's watching?
It keeps changing, no? Whatever's
Mm.
happening. We Are Must Fantastic right now. I
Oh.
love that song.
Oh,
I
Rasha
love
for the
it.
win. Oh my God.
I love it right now, yes.
All right. Before we go, you have to tell my audience कितना इंतजार करना पड़ेगा जिससे पहले कि हम दोबारा से
Oh.
मिले.
Very soon. Very soon.
Mhm,
I think
mhm.
so this film Raat Akeli Hai with Nawaz should be releasing end
Yeah.
of this year.
Yeah.
So that will be the next release, and then we'll start shooting something by middle of this year,
Mhm.
end of July.
Mhm.
So, but that's going to start. So next year for this one.
So next year. But Raat Akeli Hai 2,
Yeah.
that's something that is in store for
It's lov-
2020.
Yeah, we
I
had a
love
great
Raat
time
Akeli
shooting.
Hai 1. I mean,
Yeah.
that time we just called it Raat Akeli Hai, guys.
Yeah,
But
but now it's got a second part. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's too.
that's amazing. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Chitrangada. I'm
Thank
so happy we
you.
got this time.
Yep.
And it's really nice of you to think of me, in your good times. Yeah.